everyone, you're watching Entertainment 360.
Now, for over 23 seasons, Global Village has been a cultural beacon, boasting of 27 country-themed pavilions representing 78 cultures.
So whether it be concerts or cultural shows, or you're craving for souvenirs, or just some good food from all around the globe, well, Global Village ticks all of those boxes for the perfect family day out. So this time around, Global Village has a lot of new additions. For example, the Kids Theatre, which boasts of a lot of interactive musical and dance shows for your children, especially like things like the adorable little Ben and Holly show that was going on just now. Another addition to Global Village this season is the charming heritage village that we have here, which celebrates and pays homage to the traditional Emirati way of living.
So obviously, for the not-so-faint-hearted, Global Village even has an entire carnival funfair.
But for the first time ever, they also have Circus, which is full of all sorts of daredevil acrobatics, definitely going to leave your jaw on the floor. If you thought Circus was quite the daredevil act, for what we have next, you're going to need to strap your seatbelt on because we have Super Loop, which is a stunt auto show directed by legendary stunt director Terry Grant. So if you've always wanted to go to Thailand, but the flight trip seems way too long, well, now you can come to your very own floating market here at Global Village, and every little boat is packed full of flavors from the Far East. So if you get a little tired shopping and you need some re-energizing, there are a multitude of food options and you have choices from all over the world. But right now, I'm just going to do some bhangra and eat some jalebi. So I finally found my way to my favorite pavilion, which is the African Pavilion. And clearly I have bought a lot of things. I have my lovely zebra mask, I have a drum, I have 2 baskets, there's one even at my feet. And I've got clothes to go with my lovely necklace. Now if you come to Global Village, you're definitely going to get action, adventure, culture, cuisine, and the promise of shop till you drop. And that is why Global Village is definitely the epitome of Entertainment 360.